Hello. Dale, welcome in. JW, Arsa, Lua. Let's get this day going. This freaky fast fun Friday. Bobby Ray Gray. I see you up there, dog. Doing your thing. What's going on with my computer here? Why is it acting all slow motion? Slow motion, baby. Slow motion. Alright, come on. What is going on here? Don't tell me it's like freezing up on me. Edgar, Michael, Bobby's World, welcome in. Mom splaining. Need for Street Creator Dashboard. Ray, what's up, brother? How you? Confessional, Richard White. Mom splaining, welcome in. Thanks for the amazing alert this morning. You're welcome. Did you get the big one that went 95 points? I have so much FOMO right now over that trade. I just want to punch myself. But, you know what? I'm going to have to be okay with it because I got to practice what I preach, right? I can't have FOMO over a 95-point trade and then a 20-point trade. I can't have FOMO over that. I really wish I could have taken that, but, you know, I'm trying to stick to my goals and stop when I'm at them each day. And the only way to do that is to do that. So, kind of sucks because that was a huge, huge trade that I could have made another, who knows, $500 off of at least. Didn't get it all, but got a lot. And that's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to get the whole move. You're only, you know, the only way you get that whole move is if you know pretty much exactly where the point is of when it's going to start pulling back. And you have to have a big trail in there the whole time. Like the ATM I use for the alerts, that has that like 20-point move behind trail. That'd be the only way you could get close to, excuse me, but yeah. It says NQ early 1-for-1 prop. Looks like, I don't know, it's $1,000. NQ new green 2-for-2 700 on mine. NQ day waves green 165. Lot of money today. A lot of money could have been made today. But now it's Friday afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. The market's kind of slowing down. Kind of consolidating here, going sideways for the past hour, really. So we'll see if it wakes up here in the afternoon or what it's going to do. But big move down. Well, it was a big move up, then a big move down, then a bigger move down, and then back up. Just craziness. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Super new to the group, but I've had a fantastic week. Awesome. That's what we want. Slow and steady wins the race. This is the first full week. I started my 4 PAs on Monday. And they're all over $1,000. So this week, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4,300-ish total. So around 4,300 this week combined. Not a bad week. Not a bad week. I'll take it. I will take it, shake and bake it. I'm done. I'm done for the day. FX. F BoldBot. I'm down 1,000 from my manual trades last night. Well, whose fault's that? Why are you coming in here spreading hate, man? The only manual alerts we give have been winners, especially from last night. I think she gave a long. Last night at 9 p.m., she gave a long and it went like 10 points in the green. So, I don't know. BoldBot fault? I don't think so, buddy. Legacy, welcome in. FX, who are you in the group? And, you know, if you have an issue, why not bring it up to us in Slack? We can help you out and figure out what went wrong. I don't run any nighttime stuff, so I don't know if there was a nighttime algorithm that took a loss, but please tell me who you are in the group so we can have a conversation and get together inside a Slack and figure out what went wrong. Trust me, we don't want anybody to lose. Sam, welcome in. Good afternoon. It took the trades this morning. Well, which ones? What algorithms did you have running that lost? And at what size? I mean, the algorithms aren't going to win all the time. They win most of the time. And as long as you stay on a slow and steady schedule and sizing, you should be profitable. Gold loss for me, but a very minimal on a micro. Yeah. He's probably in there. What? NQ early, it shows mine won. NQ new were 2 for 2. That one, so I don't know. Are you running gold on a full size though, FX? If you ran gold on a micro, there's no way you should be down $1,000. What is my name in Slack? It's Kyle. K. Swag. Well, the settings that they gave you on the MicroStrategy game plan spreadsheet say to use micros, so I don't know. It was not just gold that lost, crude and others. All right, well, get with us in the group and let us double check everything on what's going on. Maybe we need to help you size down or something, because you're obviously very upset. And I hate that you're upset, but we can help you if you let us. So Super Z, what's happening? Good afternoon. We are here to help you. I mean, I hate that you took a loss, but you know, losing is part of it. You're not going to win every day. If you were down $1,000, then maybe you have way too many algorithms running on the same account. There's a lot of different varieties of things that could be happening or going on. But I don't want you to lose. I want you to win. I want everybody to win. I'm here to help you. All you got to do is reach out. Like that old commercial. Reach out and touch someone. You remember that? I feel like that alert gave you last should be plus 40. I didn't see you update. It got stopped out. It pulled back and got stopped out. I'm pretty sure only ran like 22 points. I'll double check where it was at here. 21,407. Let's see. 21,407. I'll go long. It went up to 35. So that's 22 points, right? No. High was 35, 407. 20. I don't know. It might have been 25 points. Anyway. Wait, what was your name again? My name is Kyle K. Swag in the group. You can reach out to me. I can try and help you. Anybody, Dan, Ben, Jen, Lauren, Irma, any of those people in the group can help you. You're Robert? Okay. There's a bunch of Roberts, but I'm guessing it's this one. Let me message you. All right, I just sent you a message. I think that's probably you, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, I got it. I sent you a message on Slack. Yeah, I mean, if you lost $1,000 on one account from the algorithms, that means that like 3 or 4 of them must have taken full losses, and you had all of them running on the same account. So it can happen, you know. We'll just have to see what it was, but I don't run a bunch of the nights, but it's going good for me and everybody else, I hope. The algorithms must have taken some losses. I just don't know, besides gold, and which one. Silver might have taken a loss, gold took a loss. But I don't have anything else running to be able to confirm anything else, so. You trade with Lauren? Yeah, I used to work for her full time. Now I just promote her product and her business, and I give out the premium manual alerts in a group. I almost said free. They're not free. They're free if you sign up for the algorithms. Let's put it that way. Robert, did you take the manual alerts that I gave in the group at all, or no? Yeah, that's the other thing. If you have 20 accounts, and you should not be using the same strategy across all 20 accounts. You should diversify and break it up into like 4 accounts can have one strategy, 4 more can have another, and pick like 5 strategies and do it that way. And if you wanted to run like 2 or 3 strategies on them, then just diversify and have a total of like, 3 times 5. You'd have 15 different strategies and just break it up into groups, like that. But with a cash account 2,500 and one your bots, how many micros can I run and what expect? One, you could run like 2 micros on some strategies, 4 micros on other strategies. You don't want to go much more than that, but we give you all that information when you join. What can you expect? I don't know. That's hard to answer. It depends on what algorithms you're running. Most people can make, between 50 to 200 a day. On micros. It all just depends on what algorithms you run on it. Sorry, I didn't see it. I got you though, Matt. That's the thing, guys. I mean, we have algorithms that do trade for you. Are they 100%? No. There's no such thing as a 100% algorithm. We do have 90 to 92% win rate on a couple of them. But other than that, there is losses. Most of the time, the ones that we give out in a group, and if you follow the MicroStrategy game plan over a period of time, you will be successful. So, Nate, you took one of the alerts this morning. I'm still learning, but I was green. There you go, buddy. The first alert I gave ran 95 points, so I hope somebody got most of it or some of it. There was a big drawdown there at the beginning of the trade, but then after that, it just went sky high. So I had FOMO for a minute. I wanted to jump back in it. But I hit my daily goal and I shut her down because I got to stay in Swag Town. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Thank you for being here over on the YouTube on the Purple app. Follow me over there if you would. I appreciate it. It's the main BoldBot YouTube. And it's Swag Show Kyle on the Purple app. Go give me a follow over there, please. Build my community up over there. I appreciate it. No FOMO. Even though I want to jump back in and take another trade, I'm just going to be happy with what I made. That kind of rhymed too. You want to get in another trade, but you're happy with what you made? No FOMO here. You got a swag show, my dear. Stay clear of pressing the mouse button with your finger and taking another trade. I don't know. We're up $525 on this Big Bang ES trade. Santa's in a $500 long as well. You can see that on YouTube and the Purple app. Right now on TikTok, we are watching ES Big Bang. And Ben made back his bad decision. LOL, overtraded. Did he? I didn't watch Ben this morning. I was busy. But I'm at 350 for each account today, so turn it off. There you go, man. That's all you need. Can you pass my funded? Yes, we can. We can help you. I traded micros today. I always trade micros. Except the other day when I traded 2 minis on my manual alert, which ended up working out perfect. So I sized up, and it worked out perfectly. Hey, Godlaw, welcome to the Swagonaires Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. User, welcome to the Swagonaires Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys being here. Tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. It is not perfect. It does not win 100% of the times. There are losing days, but it does win more than it loses on a lot of the algorithms and strategies. You just have to pick which ones work best for you. You have to be able to roll with the punches, take the wins and the losses. But overall, if you just let it go for the entire month on the MicroStrategy game plan, you should be profitable. It's hands off. You can't touch it. You can't mess with it. Can't interfere with it. You just got to let it do its thing. And if you're busting accounts or you're losing too much, you're probably oversizing or over-leveraging, or you have too many algorithms running on the same account. I used to do that. I used to do that myself, guys. I've been there, done that. I've busted hundreds of accounts. Trust me. I know the pain. I know the feeling. I know you want to throw up. It's a sick to your stomach feeling, but you got to learn to take the emotions out of it and realize the big picture that there will be losses. You just have to have more winning days than losses. And your losses have to be less than, your winnings. I hope that made some type of sense. I don't know. Maybe it didn't, but. What's the cost for the bots? So it's $250 for the first 2 weeks of the standard algorithms if you email me at boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Otherwise, we have the premium algorithms that are $1,500 a month. Email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want the premium alerts that I've given out in the group that went over 120 points today worth of alerts, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We also have a digital mentorship that can teach you how to manually trade, so you can email about that as well. Yes, today was hard for me with bots because I think all of them could have been turned on. But I picked 4. So far, only losses, but hopefully fix it. 250. Did I overspend? Mine was 500. You didn't sign up through me then. If you sign up through me, I have a special code. I have a special rate for people that follow me. It's $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Yeah, it includes the settings, right? We'll get you the settings. Yeah, no problem, W. How many strategies would you run on a 2,500 cash account to go slow and steady? At the most, at the same day, 3, but it all depends on what the loss is. I would never risk more than like $125 a day on that account, if that makes sense. So all three are one. What do you mean? Like, Matt, you'd have to look at the total amount per trade that's at risk. So if one micro on one strategy is risking $125 per trade that it takes, then I would just do one strategy with one micro. Now, if it only risks like 50 or 90, then you could do two micros or you could add another strategy. So it all depends, but is the 250 bot include the right settings? Yeah, God law. So you will get all the settings when you sign up. You'll get access to the Slack channel. You'll get access to the spreadsheet. You'll get access to the videos on how to set everything up. We'll help you if you need help, walk you through it. But yeah. Like, how many robots on 150K accounts, 6,500 laws? I would put like 2 or 3 at the most. Once again, Robert, you would have to go off of your loss. What could you possibly lose that day? If you have a $6,500 buffer or loss limit, then I would not risk more than like 2 to 5% on any one trade on that account. So what is the win rate on that bot? Each algorithm and strategy has a different win rate percentage. So you would have to be more specific on which one you're talking about, but all of them are profitable overall in the long run. So the win rate could be 68%, but it's profitable overall. Or it could be 92% and it's profitable overall. So the win rate really doesn't matter. If we're handing them out to the people in the group, then they're going to be profitable in the long run. So no. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, Alex, we have algorithms that run at night. We have algorithms that run in the morning. We have algorithms that run in the afternoon. So it's just different strategies run at different times. There's not one that just runs all day, though. So it's different time frames based on the strategy. If you join, do you get the bot percent win rate when you choose what to use? Yeah. Yeah, if you're a member of the group and you ever want to know what the win rate percentage is, you can always just look up the strategy performance and it'll tell you that. It's going to change based on how long you go back in the test results or whatever it's called. The strategy performance results are going to change based on how much time you put into it. So if you only put like a month, it's going to be different than if you put in 3 months or 6 months. So Alex, welcome to the group, man. 1 week in learning. There you go. Your Gmail is filtered? What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean by that. I got the box seats. There you go. If you have any questions, just reach out to somebody, Alex. We're here to help you. God law, what do you mean by my Gmail is filtered? I don't understand what that means. Spam, what's up, brother? 179 times 4. Can't send to your mail? I don't know why. I don't know why you can't. Let me try and send myself a mail then. Maybe something wrong. I don't know. Let's compose a new email to boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Hi. Test. Send. Now let's click over here. Well, it would be on my phone. Let's see here. Hi. Yep, it came through. The test email came through, so I don't know. Sorry, Godlaw, I don't know what's wrong with your email, but mine is fine. So canned, it's over 1K on all 4 accounts for the week. Week 1 in the books, positive over 1K on all 4 accounts. So that's like $4,300. Yeah, $4,300 across all 4 accounts on week 1. So I need one bot to operate at night. Alex, we have those. We have night algorithms that run overnight. All you got to do is ask or check the spreadsheet. I don't know how many of them right now are actually being used at night, but you can always ask in a group. So if I purchase the bot, does it include the signals? Yes. You will get the manual alerts if you purchase the bots. As long as you're paying $1,000 a month, you will get the algorithms included. Or, sorry, you will get the alerts included if you purchase the algorithms. Yeah, this is just some techno channel on YouTube, Alex. It's the only thing that's not copyrighted that allows me to play it without getting yelled at. So, otherwise, I'd be playing like 90s grunge rock, 90s alternative, 90s hip hop, something like that. But can I get another week on bots to trial? I can provide the position it took. I can send images. That's not up to me, Robert. You would have to ask Amy or Lauren about that. I have nothing to do with the business side of it other than I try and promote the company. So, hey, it's Vinny. Welcome in, brother. How you doing today? Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. You're watching Big Bang ES on TikTok. On the purple app, you have Santa on the left, Big Bang ES on the right, and on YouTube as well. So if you haven't followed me on the purple app, please give me a follow over there on the purple app. I'd appreciate it. Not going to have any FOMO today about that 95-point alert that I gave out in the group. I hope most of you got it. I was done trading already. That's why I didn't take it. I had already pretty much came close to meeting my daily goal of 200. I was 21 bucks away, so I wasn't going to risk the biscuit. I was just going to stop when I'm at my goal. And that's what I did. And you know what? It ran up 95 points, and I can't be mad about it. So, Mike Phoenix, welcome in, brother. You are the face of the business, Kyle's Alerts. How much is the alerts? Cool. So it's $100 for the first week, and then $500 a month after that if you just want the alerts. What's the purple app? It's Twitch, Matt. TWITCH, Twitch. That was awesome to watch. Not for me. I was having FOMO at the time, but then I had to just realize, you know what? I got to be happy with my weekly outcome. And not have FOMO and not get mad about it. I'm glad that other people were profiting off of it because I want everybody to be successful. I want you all to make a bunch of money. But myself, I was already done for the week, so I shut everything off. I still give the alerts up until the end of my stream today. And then, it is what it is. We're not going to have another one that doesn't look like today. So if you're waiting on one, we're too far gone. Well, maybe. Let me check. No, actually, there could be one. It's just right now it's in a tricky thing. I could alert one, but it's 30 points away from where I would enter at, so probably not going to pull back that far. Anyway, everybody's got to make up their own mind. It was scary at first. Yeah, it did pull back quite a bit. It was like 15 points, 16 points in the negative, and then it finally turned around and came on home for us. But yeah, it was definitely scary there for a minute. It ran up like 5-6 points, and then it dropped 15, 16, and then it ran up 95 points. So, crazy morning. Sam, what bot do you use? I don't know. I use NQ New, NQ Early, MSE Early, and MSE New. Basically, I just use 4 of the algorithms and silver. I will use silver once I get a bigger buffer. But right now, my account just doesn't have the buffer to risk trading silver because on Apex, you cannot cross it over to a micro. Now, if I had a cash account, I'd be running silver all the time. But your email has been blocked because the sender is unauthenticated. That's crazy. I just sent it to myself. Maybe try a different email address. I don't know. Pick the ones. Say to use some are told not to use certain days today. I only picked 4. God Law, I am not sure why you're getting blocked, buddy. I just sent a test to myself. Try and use a different email, maybe. I don't know, buddy. On my Slack? What do you mean on my Slack? Can you send that to my Slack? Oh, Sam, he's asking, I think, if you could send that to him in Slack or something. I don't know. We're up $740 on Santa, $625 on ES. I think which ones you're running. All right, Matt, take it easy, buddy. Have a great weekend. It's just Swag Show Kyle, Red. Swag Show Kyle. That's over there on the purple app. Thank you, Red. I appreciate that. I'm good. I'm not sending anything. If you have questions, type in Slack under questions. That's good. That's a true statement. I just follow the MicroStrategy game plan. I think that's in announcements or maybe helpful info. It's probably under helpful info. Yeah. It's under helpful info, under the pinned items and helpful info. It has the MicroStrategy game plan laid out for you on there. I just looked it up. It's under the helpful info channel under pinned items. It says MicroStrategy game plan, and it has the spreadsheet with the breakdown and what size you should run each thing, what days you should run each thing. And yeah, that's it. That's all you got to do. Follow that. It's not going to be perfect every day, but you should know that. Everybody should know that. And if you win and you're up a certain amount each day, then why not just shut everything off? Where order the bot 2 weeks? Yeah, that's the email on my TikTok screen right there that you send it to. BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. BoldBotInfo@gmail. Yep, right there. God law, I don't know why it's rejecting. If you're trying to send me an email, I just spelled it out. I don't know why it's doing that. But Robert, just it's all given to you, man. Everything's in the spreadsheet. The MicroStrategy game plan's in the helpful info channel. You should have access to the alerts, so you can use my alerts or you use your alerts or whatever alerts you want to use. But man, we want everybody to make money. If you don't understand something, just ask. We're here to help. But you know, hey, there she is. Can you send to MD? I don't know what that is. What's MD? Godlaw? I don't understand what that means. Alright, Santa is now out of that trade, profited. We still got this ES Big Bang in a trade. That's the only thing I show in a trade currently right now, but gonna see if I see any for closing time. Oh. I don't know what he means by that. He was saying my email boldbotinfo@gmail.com was blocked for him. But I don't know. I sent myself a test email and it went through, so I don't know. If somebody else can send me a test email, boldbotinfo@gmail.com, or if you just want to sign up for the standard alerts, standard algorithms, let me know. Brownies 2 weeks ago, Rice Krispie treats last weekend. Ooh, I want some brownies. Ooh, yeah, coffee cake. I love coffee cake. I love a good coffee cake. My grandma used to make one that was really good. My mom tries to make it. She's pretty close. But my grandma used to make a really good coffee crumb cake like that. It was so good. Thank you guys for tuning in and being here. My name is Kyle. This is the Swaggy Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Make sure you follow me. Follow Jen. Follow Ben. Follow Lauren. She's in the chat. Live_BoldBot. Make sure you go give her a follow. She might give you some freebies on her streams. Some alerts, usually at the close, or at the open, at night. Not tonight because the market's closed tonight. But make sure you follow everybody. I'm British, so I don't do coffee. I'm a tea lover. Yeah, but have you ever had a coffee cake? Sam, that's the thing. Have you ever had a coffee cake? It's just called a coffee cake. It doesn't have coffee in it, but it's really good. It might be an American thing. I don't know. Can't stand the smell. But it's not coffee. It has nothing to do with coffee. That's the funny thing. It's just the name of it. Who else can't stand it? Jen can't stand the smell of coffee either, can she? I think maybe because you know, you eat it for breakfast in the morning with your coffee, but I guess you could drink tea with it instead. But it's so delicious. It's so good. Yeah. Crush up the little, what do you crush up? The pecans? No. Yeah, the pecans, right? You crush up the pecans and put them on there, or the walnuts. But yeah, Matt was in here. Matt, you still in here? You might have fell asleep. Matt, wake up. Where you at? He was asking questions. He's good, I guess. I don't know. I don't know nothing about him. He was asking some questions. We tried to help him and answer him. It's all good. He emailed me last night asking questions. Yeah, he left, said bye. Oh, I'm trying to read 3 different chats, so I don't know. Sometimes I miss some comments. So I try and keep up for you guys as best I can. You called him out. He knew you would be coming, so he left. Yeah. Isaac, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here, guys. I appreciate all the likes, shares, follows, comments, concerns. We're here to help you. We want you to be successful. We wouldn't be doing it otherwise. Oh, there it was. It could have been another one right there, but like I said, I don't feel comfortable this late in the day giving one because at any notice, it could just turn around and head back down, and I don't want to alert into a downward if I'm alerting long, and I don't want to alert long into a short. Anyway, enough of that talk. I've got a full weekend. Once again, I have my boys this weekend, so we got 2 different birthday parties to go to. We got baseball practice and a partridge in a pear tree. Watching mentorship videos after I'm done with work. There you go, Sam. Practicing market replay. That's the best way. Man, I'm itching. I don't know what's going on. Got some type of rash or something. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I was done at 10 a.m. Yep, me too. And I do not trade pre-market. I only did it today, I promise you. I just saw something and I thought that it was going to work out, and it did. But I don't ever usually trade pre-market. Lauren doesn't believe me, but she knows me better. I've literally had to add up all my losses from last year, and trust me, I am on a slow and steady pace after seeing those numbers. We could have maybe alerted here. I don't know. I just, like I said, I don't want to get stuck in a reversal here. It is 145 candle opening on the 15-minute chart, so I just don't know. I think I'm done. I can't even alert. Because like I said, if I give an alert, I want you guys to win. So if I don't feel 100% comfortable and confident in the trade, like I would, if I wouldn't take it myself, then I don't want to alert it. But sometimes I just got to give it out anyway. Right now, I don't know. Just not one of them. I made 30K today in total. Well, congratulations to Live BoldBot, whoever that person is. I mean, they must be an amazing trader and mentorship. They might even have their own company called BoldBot, you know? All right. Who's doing the alert? You? On ES? Yeah, okay. Well, then, if you're doing it, I'm going to do it. If you're doing it, I'm doing it. It's only right. Oh, shoot. Get off there. All right, we're going to do it. No! Aggressive. There. All right, we're going to do it together here. There. Alerted. Alerted in the group. Alert, alert. Everybody wake up. One last trade on a Friday. Hopefully it goes our way. You can go your own way. Oh, wait, I forgot. No more singing, right? Because one person doesn't like my singing and commented. Kyle, the other Kyle in the group, great results today. Congratulations. Emojiing our friends over here in the Slack channel. Oh, we're in the long here. In the long. In the long. In the long. Plus 3.5 points there. Side Hustle, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Ray, welcome back in. Ray said he was coming back for the alerts, I thought. I don't know. Ray, are you coming back for the alerts? Are you going to sign up, get these alerts? Lauren just gave an ES alert. I gave an NQ alert. I'm in my long. I think she's waiting to get in hers. You are back? Okay. Are you back in the group? He said he was going to sign back up for the alerts, I thought. I only gave out like 120 points today. Sorry, I only gave out like 120 points worth of movement today. Yeah, if you get the algorithms, you get the alerts included. I've been telling people that. Either the standard or the premium. So Ray needs to sign up and get a part of these alerts, man. We're killing it. Even if you ran micros, buddy, you'd be making $200-300 a day. Come on now, NQ. Do your thing. Pop back up here. Don't make us, our last trade of the day, hesitate and be a loser here. I told you guys I wasn't confident in it. But we'll see what happens. That's why we got a bigger stop loss on this. We got room to breathe here. We got room to pull back a little more. We'll just see what happens. We're killing it on these alerts, Ray, man. You really should. It's only $100. Trying to steamroll me. Oh, come on, NQ. Pull back up right off that 21,440 level here. Shoot back up to the moon. Let's go. I'm thinking about it. Just got my first payout. Heck yeah, Ray. Congratulations. How many alerts per day on average? On average, well, now you've got ES in the mix. So you're getting probably anywhere between 5 to 10 alerts a day total between NQ and ES. I'm just throwing that out there. Lauren can, yeah. Today, so far, this is my third NQ alert, and I believe it's Lauren's third alert, right? 1, 2, maybe this is her second alert of the day, and my third, so gotcha. Come on, NQ. We need you to tap that screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help NQ go up to the moon. Running short on time. We have detected inactivity. Really? I've been talking the whole time. I don't know what you're talking about. TikTok's crazy. Once you go live for an hour, they send you this thing. Make sure you're still alive. You got to solve a little slide puzzle like a kid. All right, come on. That's all you needed to pull back now. Let's run it up to the moon here. Make these people some money on this last alert of the day. If you don't follow me, and then follow Lauren, and then follow Jen and Ben. We all go live for you at least 5 times a day, 5 days a week. Showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is the fully automated trading algorithm that you're watching right now on TikTok. It is ES Big Bang, one of the premium strategy algorithms. It's $1,500 a month for the premium. We have like 7 different premium algorithms with about 30 to 40 different strategies inside those premium algorithms. We also have the standard algorithms that you can get for $250 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that if you email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. What is the price for the alerts? It's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that, and most people are making $500 a day off the alerts. So give us an email. Look us up. Try it out for a week. If you're a trader, you're going to be hooked. You're going to tell all your friends, and we're going to grow this BoldBot community. We got, what do we got? We got the old line algorithm in the trades. Prop, visual long, visual short. Man, they haven't been trading as much since we switched stuff up on them, but that's crazy. Anyway, yeah, no problem. We'll give Lauren a follow. She is the live BoldBot in the chat right there. Let me see if I can pin her comment here. Pin the comment. There you go. I pinned her. Go follow her. That's Lauren. She's the CEO of BoldBot, the owner, the operator, the streamer, the extraordinaire wizard.